Yes, people, Chef Ricardo. No. Ringo. That one was a very hot one. Anyway, welcome back to the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking, guys. Today we want to be making a beautiful smoothie, but I got a few ingredients which I'm going to be using. Whoa. What do you think? All right, now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some spinach straight inside of my blender. Yeah. Also, we got some pear, we got some ginger, and some lemon. Now, right over here, come over here, Ringo. You know what is this? Kiwi! This is kiwi, guys. It's amazing. Yes, people, I'm there in the kitchen same way. But you don't know what? I got lemon. I got a pear and a piece of a ginger. Ringo, a good vibes. Come over here. Come over here, sir. What is this?
Alright, so we have some banana as well, Chef Ricardo.
We're gonna make a smoothie. Get the camera. Guys, this is not a normal thing. So basically, we got ripe banana. Straight into that. Oh, I don't have to eat a piece of them. No. Ginger. We got some ginger. Alright. Oh yeah. Good vibes. No, this is a beautiful smoothie. It's also very healthy. Alright. I'm gonna put a piece of a ginger. Alright. Not too much. Just a little piece of a ginger. I'm highly be excited. Then what we're gonna do, get yourself some lemon. Oh yeah. Once you rub that lemon, wanna squeeze it out. Beautiful. Squeeze straight the juice inside of it. If you wanna get to the seed, grab it. No seeds. But here's one. Anyway, people is a good vibes. Now, we got some pear. Alright? What we're gonna be using. Alright. Oh yeah. Look at that. Show it out. Really nice. Curtis, come here.
Okay.
Oh my days, man. What do you think about this one? I got just some spinach and ripe banana, and some pear and some ginger, a little bit of lemon juice. I feel like I put a little bit more spinach inside of it.
Okay.
Now, Ed is excited. Now, what we're gonna do, we're not gonna be using any honey because I know you're a vegan.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna put some water inside of it.
Okay.
Not too much. Oh, a little bit of water. All right. This is all eye measurement. You know, I mean, that's all grandparents teach us. Isn't it?
Yes. Putting salt.
Oh yeah. All right. Where's my wait, is Ringo?
Just continue the way I do.
All right. Yeah. So here, this is it. Put on one lid, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a little bit of noise. Shh. But trust me, it's beautiful. Look at this, guys. Whoa, hold on, people. Look at this. Oh my days.
So hold it there for a second. Let's let everybody have a look at this green.
That is excellent. Beautiful. The flavor and the texture. Now, the secret behind this is a very healthy smoothie. Very good for the immune system, that, you know what I mean? Keep you really nice. I need to cut, guys. I need to get a cup and a glass.
Ready?
Oh yeah, look at this now, guys. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply come. Look at this. One at the first.
Hold on.
One at the first, guys. Alright? Oh my days. Look at that texture. That is amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Well, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna sue me later on. Alright. A good vibes, we go. Go ahead and hit that one. Let me clean up.
Grab it now, Chef Ricardo.
Wow. Wow. Ah. This is amazing. This is what I'm talking about, you see? Just keep your tummy flat.